Hi, in front of me is ALCATEL U5 HD, and today I would like to show you how you can use sound recorder on this device. Start by opening menu and typing sound recorder. Then open it, click allow and tap on the orange button to start your recording. You can pause it by clicking on the same button and save it by clicking at the bottom right corner. Over here, enter name of your recording and click save. As you can see, my recording was successfully made and saved. If you want to delete it, hold it and click at the bin icon at the top right corner. Then choose delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!